Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Gcash as a payment method in Foodpanda. You need a verified Gcash account with enough balance. It needs an updated Foodpanda app installed on your device. Foodpanda account logged in and ready for orders. A stable internet connection for smooth checkout is needed. To use Gcash, open the Foodpanda app and add items to your cart. Proceed to checkout and select payment method. Choose Gcash from the list of available options. Now, log in with your Gcash account and confirm the payment. Ensure your Gcash wallet has sufficient funds before ordering. Some promos or vouchers may not apply when using Gcash. Refunds for canceled orders will be credited back to Gcash. Always secure your Gcash account with PIN biometrics. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.